Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Human Biology Part 32. And without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. Cephalad or cephalic? Towards the head. Cranial. The skull. Caudal. Hindquarters. Superior. Above or closer to the head. Inferior. Below or closer to the feet. The upper respiratory system includes nose, nasal cavity, mouth, pharynx, and larynx. The lower respiratory system includes trachea, lungs, bronchial tree. The categories of the respiratory system are airway, lungs, and respiratory muscles. The airway includes nose, nasal cavity, mouth, pharynx or the throat, larynx or the voice box, trachea or the windpipe, bronchi, and bronchial network. The right lung has how many lobes? Three lobes. The left lung has two lobes and living room for the heart on the left side of the body. The lungs are surrounded by a dash, which reduces friction between surfaces when breathing. Pleural membrane. The respiratory muscle include diaphragm and intercostal muscles. What is the most superficial layer of skin? Epidermis. Intercostal muscles. Located between the ribs. The main function of the respiratory system is to supply the body with oxygen and rid the body of carbon dioxide. Functions of the respiratory system. Filters air, vital in cough production, functions in sense of smell, chemoreceptors that is located in the nasal cavity responds to airborne chemicals. The respiratory system also helps the body maintain acid-base homeostasis. Hyperventilation can increase blood pH during acidosis, that is low pH. Slowing breathing during alkalosis, that is high pH, helps to lower blood pH. The breathing process controlled by the medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata monitors the level of carbon dioxide in the blood and signals the breathing rate to increase when these levels are too high. What is the circulatory system is responsible for? Internal transport for substances to and from the cells. The three parts that our circulatory system consists of are heart, blood, and blood vessels. Muscular pump providing the pressure necessary to keep blood flowing. Heart. Dear friends, thank you very much for using human biology. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye bye for now.